right. Settle down on your mats in the best place in the house. I add to that in the morning. Then you may have some lovely places to sit and relax. But let's enjoy our session on the mat in the morning. Today, you look at the point in front of you. Keep your hands on your thighs or knees, and close your eyes. And all of us do what we can, and we also thank God for so many things. Every day we are thanking God for food and sitting and clothes. And so now we are going to think of a few things which we take for granted, but which we are thankful for. Like it could be a smile in the morning, or the pillow, the thin pillow that you have every day with you, or the chappals that you wear so that your feet don't get cold, or a flower that you see in your balcony. I'm just giving a few. So think of a few things which we take for granted, very tiny little things which we don't really notice. And think of a few things, and once you're done, then you can join your hands. So I know that you are done. I can't see everyone's hands, but I think everyone is done. And we'll say our Om. Take a deep breath in. Om. Another deep breath in. Another deep breath in. Stay there. Relax your whole body. Conditioning ourselves to do yoga to the best of our ability, with grace and with a smile, so that we enjoy ourselves. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Namaste. Let's stand up for some warm-up exercises. Yeah. Good. Today we are going to just do nice little stretching. So we will take our hands and just twist slowly, gently in the beginning, because we are just warming up. Twist. Taking your hands on either side. All right. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Now take your right hand above your head in a straight line and just bend sideways. Pushing your body a little bit. Keep pushing so you know you're stretching. Other side. Take it back up and bring it down. Take your left hand up and bend towards the right. Just pulling your hands a little, feeling the stretch, and go back up. Once more, right hand up to the left. Just stretch your hand and relax. And take your left hand above your head. Bend and go straight and relax. And now to wake our brain up, we're not going to do forward and back. We're just the 4 steps is point in front, point at the side, point at the back, and neutral. Left leg in front, point to the side, point to the back, and front. And there is one more step of taking your right leg up, down, left leg up and down. Now, follow the instructions. Right leg in front, point in front, side, front, back, take it up, down, left leg side, back, front, up, down, left leg side, together, right to the side, right in front, right to the back, right up, right down, left to the side, left back, left in front, left to the side, left back, left up and down, right to the side and back, side and back, right side and back, right in front and together, back, together, up, together, left up and down, left up and down, to out left and back and together. And shake your hands and legs. Shake your hands and legs. Yeah. All right. You're going to do the continuous warrior. So take a nice deep breath in and out. Open your legs to 3.5 feet. Okay? Now open your right foot. Open your right foot. Look at your leg. Right angles. See that your leg is at right angles. Look at your left leg. It should be slightly diagonal. Okay? Look at your leg now. Right angles. Now, generally, even I saw in the video, I'm taking my body in front. The body, take your body back so that your body is in a straight line. But your leg is bent. So then you will feel the pull on your thighs. Yeah? So your body has to be straight and not bent in front. Now take your hands, both your hands in a straight line. Look at the hand in front of you. Look at the fingers. Keep breathing. Now take your right hand on your thigh and bend your left hand. Keeping your legs in the same position, look in front. Look in front. Keep breathing. Breathe. Now slowly release that hand. Take your right hand behind your right leg and take your left hand up. Slowly take your left hand down in front of your leg and take your right hand up. Twisting. Keep breathing. Again, take your right hand on your right thigh. Bending your right hand above the head, looking in front. Slowly release your left hand. Go back into warrior 2. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breaths in and out. Slowly pick your knee up. Release your hands. Take your foot in front and relax. Let's do that with the other leg. Open your legs to 3.5 feet. Open your left foot on the heel. Bend it to 90 degrees. Adjust your right leg, right foot diagonal. Again, see that we don't bend forward. Take your body back. Release your hands in a straight line, looking at your fingers. Keep pushing your body a little back so that we don't tend to pull it in front. Deep breaths in and out. Take your left hand onto your thigh, palm facing the ceiling, and bend your hand and then look in front. Keep breathing. Slowly release your hand and Take your right hand in front of your left leg and open your hand. We are already doing the twisting. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Slowly take your left hand behind your left leg. Open your right hand as much as you can. Slowly bring your hand down. Left hand on your left thigh. Palm facing the ceiling. Hand bent. Keep breathing. Look in front. Slowly release your hands in a straight line. Deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Slowly pick your knee up. Release your hands. Put your leg in front and come back. Shake your hands and legs nicely. Shake your hands and legs nicely. Lynette, you were stuck somewhere?
Yeah, but I could hear you.
All right. Really take deep, nice deep breaths, and we are going to do static Surya Namaskar. So take your time. Come to the top of the mat. Feet together, hands by your side. Do a namaste on your sternum. Again, pick your toes and spread your toes nicely. Go on your heels and push your heels in the ground. Pull your spine in. Knees straight but not too stiff. Shoulders at the back. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Now slowly release your hands. Parallel to one another, palms facing now the ceiling, look up. Stay there. Once you're in a position, then release the muscles of your body. Relax the muscles in your stomach, back. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Observe your body. If there's any pain, you can release. Release the posture. Slowly pick your thighs up. Tighten your buttocks. Bring your hands very gently. Keep your spine straight till you can. Keep your spine straight. Once you reach down, then release your shoulders, release your elbows. Hold your legs wherever you can and push your head towards your knees. You can bend your knees a little if there is pain. If there is no balance, you can open your legs a little bit and keep 2-3 inches between them. Stay there again. Release the muscles in your stomach. Keep pushing yourself in. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breaths in and out. Now slowly bend your legs a little bit and put your hands next to your feet. And take your right leg back. Asva Sanchalan. Now you can keep that leg straight or keep it on the ground. Open all your fingers. Push your hands. Look in front or you can look up. Whichever is comfortable. Again, your left leg has to be in 90 degrees. And now relax in the posture. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Stay there. Now put all the pressure on your hands and take your left leg back to Adho Mukha Svanasana, mountain pose. Now see that your heels are in the ground, on the ground. Your elbows are locked. Push your hips up. Ears in line with your hands. So you don't need to push your head totally in. Keep your ears in line with your hand. To go more in, you push your bum up. So you can feel the stretch. Feel the stretch in behind your calves, in your calves, thighs, Now relax in the position. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your stomach. Relax. Just breathe in and breathe out. Now, breathe out. Now, slowly put your knees down. Put your chest down and chin down in Ashtanga. Again, relax in the position. Your toes are tucked in. Your bum is towards the ceiling. Breathe in and breathe out. If at any point you feel pain, release the posture. Slowly open your toes out. Go into Bhujang. Bring your feet together, toes pointing out. Go into Bhujang. You can put little pressure on your hands to bring your body up. This is not the other Bhujang. You can bring it up. Stay there. Look at the point in front of you. Take your attention to your toes that should both be together and pointing backwards. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now tuck your toes in and push your hands and go back to mountain. Once more, heels on the ground. Ears in line with your hand. Push your hips up. Breathing in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now take your right leg in front. See that your leg is in 90 degrees. Other leg you can keep straight or down. Look at a point in front of you or look up. Anytime you feel pain, release your posture. Again, relax in this posture. Relax your stomach, your shoulders. Keep breathing in and out. Slowly push your hands again and take your left leg forward in line with your right leg. They both should be in the same line. You can bend your legs a little bit if you want to keep your hands down. Slowly take your knees up and hold your legs. Put your head in. Again, breathing normally. Observe your spine, your neck. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Slowly release your hands. Now tighten your thighs, tighten your hips, your buttocks, and with the help of that, not with the help of your back, with the help of these tightened muscles, very gently come up, hands parallel to one another. Go to Uttanasana, bend backwards, only till how much you can. Again, release the muscles in your stomach, back. Relax in the posture. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly bring into the Namaste. And relax. Stay there. You can close your eyes or keep it open. Look at a point in front of you. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breaths in and out. Is everybody okay? Okay. Let's do the left side. Take a deep breath in and hands up. Bend as much only as you can. Don't go into any red zone. Breathe normally. Relax into the posture. Feel your feet on the ground. The bent back. Slowly take your hands parallel to one another without any jerks. As slowly back straight. Once you're down, release your hands and hold your legs. Release your elbows and push your head in. Again, relaxing in the posture. Release the stomach muscles, the back muscles. Hang your head loose, but pulling it in towards your knees. Stay there. Slowly put your hands down. You can bend your knees. See that your hands are firmly on the ground. Take your left leg back. You can put your left knee on the ground or keep it straight. Right leg should be at right angles. Palms, fingers all spread out. Now look in front or look up. Again, relax in the position. Deep breaths, deep breathing. Relax, relax your muscles in the shoulders, back. Stay there. Now put pressure on your hands and take your right leg back into mountain. Push your heels into the ground. Again, ears in line with your hand. To go up, push your heels down so that your hip goes up. Again, relax in the posture. Slowly put your knees on the ground, chest on the ground, chin on the ground in Ashtanga. It can be chin. Keep breathing. Your bounce towards the ceiling. Toes are tucked in. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Slowly, toes outwards. Go into Bhujang. Bring your feet together. And you can go up. You can put little pressure on your hands. And look at the point in front. Keep breathing. If it is hurting, release the posture. Stay there. Others, breathe in and out. Again, relax the muscles of your shoulders. Relax the muscles in your back. Feel the relaxation. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now tuck your toes in. Push your hands and go back into mountain. Try to put your heels on the ground. Ears in line with your hands. So push your heels to put your hips up. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe. Breathe. Slowly bring your left leg in front. Hands there. Right knee can be on the ground or up. Left knee should be in a straight line. Look at the point in front of you or up. Now relax in the posture. Observe your own body. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breath in and out. Slowly bring your right leg exactly next to your left leg. You can keep your legs little bent if you want. Now slowly hold your legs wherever you can and take your head in. Once you're in the posture, relax. Relax the muscles. Again, only stretch till how much you can. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breath in and out. Slowly release your hands parallel to one another. Now pick your thighs, pick your bum, hips, and come up with the help of those tightened muscles and not your back. Feel the difference, you will feel it. Press your thighs, hand buttocks tight. Slowly take your hands up, looking up at the sky. And stay in the posture. Breathe normally. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly release and do namaste. And stay there. Take deep breaths in and out. Take deep breaths in and out. Slowly release and we'll sit down in the relaxation pose with your legs open. Open your legs. Put your hands at the back. And relax. You can shake your legs up and down, thighs up and down. You can shake your head or your hands and just relax. Leave your legs loose. Take deep breaths in and out. All right. Bring your legs together. Sit on your sitting bones. Back straight, but not stiff. Take your hands above your head. Palms facing in front. Take a deep, it is this pose. Fingers in front, elbows at the back. Take a deep breath in, bend a little back, and then breathing out, go forward. Hold your legs wherever you can. Put your head down, release your shoulders and elbows. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release your hands and slowly come back to the first position. Once more, take a deep breath in. While breathing out, go in front. This time it is a little easier. Hold whichever part of the leg. Pull yourself down and stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release your hands and come to the first position and then release. And let's do the counter. Put your hands behind you, either fingers facing back or fingers facing in front. Take a deep breath in and out. When you breathe in, take your body up. Put your head back and try to touch your toes to the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release and sit down. Take a deep breath in and out. Once more, take a deep breath in and take your body up. Head back, toes trying to touch the floor. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release and again relax. Deep breaths in and out. Deep breath in and out. Slowly come into table. Open your fingers wide. Hands in line with your shoulders. Knees a little away from each other, in line with your hands, that is in line with your hips also, in a straight line. Let's do the cat and cow. Take a deep breath in and look up. Breathe out and look down, pulling your stomach in. Breathe in, push your spine down. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. Last time, breathe in, up. And breathe out, down. And stay in neutral. Take a deep breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. Right hand and left leg. Look at your fingers in front and release. Left hand, right leg and release. See that your toe is pointing back out. Right hand, left leg and release. Left hand, right leg and release and sit in child. Try to take your hips onto your heels and then bend forward. Either your hands can be in front of you or at the back with the palms facing the ceiling. All right. Just bring your body up into table. We'll do the pigeon. So take your right leg under your left hand. Spread your left leg back with toes pointing back. Try to sit straight in pigeon. Feel the stretching. Now slowly release your hands in front and go down, putting your forehead on the ground. Release your elbows on the ground. Feel the stretching. Slowly again come back up, straight, and release the posture into table. Take another deep breath in and out. Take your left leg under your right hand. Take your right leg back, toes pointing outwards. Take your hands, adjust your hands to sit straight. Feel the posture. Now slowly take your body forward. Take your hands forward and put your head on the ground. Release your elbows and feel the stretch. Toes pointing backwards. Feel the stretch. Enjoy the stretch. Breathe normally. Slowly release your hands. Coming to table and then child. All right, lie down on your stomach. In a relaxation pose, lie down on your stomach. Hands, one palm over the other. Either your chin, forehead, cheek. Toes touching each other and heels out. Or hands beside you. Palms facing ceiling, feet outwards. Any relaxation pose. All right. Let's do the Superman and the plane and the bird. Chin on the ground first, forehead on the ground. Hands beside you. And now take your hands in front of you. Take your head up. Take your legs up. Superman. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. See that your toes are pointing backward. Slowly, hands next to you in a straight line. Aeroplane. Take your hands in the back. Palms facing the ceiling. Keep your head up only. Again, plane, side, Superman in front and release. Take deep breaths in and out. Once more, take your hands up and legs up. Take your hands to the side, hands at the back, hands at the side, in front and release. Take deep breaths in and out and relax. Deep breaths in and out. Slowly come onto your backs. deep breaths in and out. Take deep breaths in and out. Take your belt. Take your belts. Put your belt in your right foot. First, relax your body. See that your head is in a straight line in your body. Take deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. Now, take your right leg up. Pull it towards your face. Pull your toes towards your face. Feel the stretch. Slowly take your right leg to the left side without bending your knee. Stay there, breathing normally. Breathing normally. Slowly bring it back up. Pulling it towards you. Take your right leg to the right side. Again, feel the stretching, but don't bend your knee. Go only till you can. Take deep breaths in and out. Slowly bring it back up. Pull it towards you. Again to the left. Take your leg to the left without bending the knee. Look up in front. Try to keep your shoulders on the ground. Pull it up towards you. Take it to the right. See that your left leg is on the ground. Feel the stretch. Come back up. Pull it towards you and release. Take your belt into the left foot. Pull the leg up towards you. Pull your toes towards your face. Feel the stretch. Keep your right leg on the ground. Take your left leg to the right side without bending your knee. Keep pulling it so you feel the stretch. Shoulders on the ground. Come back up. Pull it towards you and take it to the left without bending the knee. More important is feeling the stretch. Keep your shoulders on the ground. Again, come back up. Pull it towards you. Take it to the right. Feeling the stretch. Come back up. Pull it and go to the left. Feel the stretch. Come back up. Pull it towards you and relax. Relax your whole body. Connect with your body. Take deep breaths in and out. Deep breaths in and out. Slowly bring both your legs near your bum. Now, take your legs outside your mat and your knees also outside the mat. Take your hands in line with your shoulders, or you can take it under your neck. Interlock your fingers under your neck. Now bend both the legs to the right, looking to the left. So the legs are away from each other. Feel the stretch over there. Come back up. Take both your legs to the left, looking to the right. Once more. Both the legs to the right, looking to the left. You can feel which parts are being pulled and back up. Both the legs to the left, looking to the right. And release. And relax in Shavasana. Good, it's over, no? Okay. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your whole body. Shake your toes and relax. Take your heels on the ground, bang your heels on the ground and relax. Now bang your thighs and knees and up and down till some sound comes and relax. Relax both your legs. Shake it nicely and let them fall outwards. Push your spine into the ground and release it. Shake your hands. Come on, bring them up. Shake your hands. Make fist and open. Make fist and open. Now shake your head also. Shake your head and release your hands. And keep your neck relaxed and just lie down. Releasing every muscle in your body. Just stay there, observing your breath. Bring your attention back to the breath. I'm sure it has wandered somewhere. Thinking of the hot coffee or tea, thinking of the breakfast to be done or eaten. Come back to the breath. Slowly bring your legs together, hands together. Right hand above your head, bend left leg, left hand on the stomach, turn to the right, hand on your head, legs bent for comfort. And we are going to give 3 big ha's, okay? So take a deep breath in and ha. Another deep breath in. Ha. Another deep breath in. Ha. Slowly and gently with the help of your left hand, come in any sitting meditative position. Keeping your eyes closed. Sit on your sitting bones. Back straight. To end the session, we will do what is called box breathing. So keep your back straight. You can have your fingers in chin mudra or any way you want. Box breathing is equal. So we breathe in 4 counts, we retain 4 counts, we breathe out 4 counts, and we suspend for 4 counts. We'll do this for 5 rounds. I'll give you the count. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Stay, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4. Suspend, 2, 3, 4. Again, breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Retain, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4. Suspend, 2, 3, 4. Again, breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Retain, 2, 3, 4, release, 2, 3, 4, suspend, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Retain, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4. Suspend, 2, 3, 4. Last round. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Retain, 2, 3, 4. Release, 2, 3, 4. Suspend, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Take deep breaths in and out. And now, before we end the session, let us think of 3 things we are going to do, which is out of what we generally do to feel good. We do a lot of good to everybody, and we are compassionate, we do. But let's do 3 things today that we don't generally do. It could be a smile again, or a virtual hug, a real hug, or a call to somebody, or any such thing that you think. Think of 3 things and then rub your hands, cup your face, spread the heat, open your arms, send the love to everybody, join your hands. Namaste. Namaste. Super, mummy.
Namaste.
Good session today.
Very nice. Enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Thank
Oh.
you. Anna.
Little kasrat before the weekend.
I thought you were playing Little Simon Says. Put your leg back, then back, then.
I'm
I
enjoying
expected
it.
Simon Says sometimes. Very, very nice because we had to be alert.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, he does mind tricks. Hey, listen, there are 2 things I wanted to say. One is, Sylvie, whenever
Yeah.
we can ask Patra
Ah,
to give all of us an introduction into what is savings are all about, what sort of types of savings, whether it is equity, mutual funds, or it's about fixed deposits, to give an introduction. It could be the children also, because the way we look at, in whatever way, what it is, we would like Patra to give us a sort of insight into what it is.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah, we'll do that.
chai samosa milega na.